Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April the 22nd, 2020. I am very excited because today is the second Zoom meeting that we're having. Today at 12:30, log into Zoom, and I've sent the information out to your parents, but we will have a Zoom meeting today at 12:30. So I look forward to seeing everybody in there and hope everybody can log on to that. I want to talk to you today a little bit about money. Everybody likes money. Everybody likes to earn money, to save money, to have their own money to go and spend. And it starts from, I think, a very young age. We know that it's really cool when we can save up some money and buy something for ourselves. So this year, so far, we've learned a little bit about money. We have learned the values of the different coins. I know in math we did that a while back. And then I talked to you guys a few weeks ago. We talked a little bit about saving money and the importance of saving money sometimes and setting a goal for something special that we want to buy or somewhere we want to go. Like for me, there's a trip I'm saving up for one day that I'm saving money for. As you get older, you might find yourself, saving up to buy your first car. I know I mowed grass in my neighborhood starting when I was about 12 years old, and that's the money that I used to buy my first car. So, but today I want to talk to you more about giving money away. There are different charitable organizations that people give money to. Could be a church, could be or an organization like that helps animals out or that helps people who are homeless or need food. There's lots of different charitable organizations that you can give your money to. The Humane Society in Charlotte is one organization that I quite often donate money to, and they help animals that cats and dogs that don't have homes. The Humane Society helps them, so people can give money to them to help support that organization. I know my church is also something that I have been brought up to always give money to my church, and that's another charitable organization that I give to. So, I want you to talk with your parents and people at home. You may want to call your grandparents and talk to them about charitable organizations that they like. And I want you to think about what is a charity, what is an organization that you could maybe save your money for, some of your money for, and give to. During this time right now that a lot of people are not working, there's different funds that have been set up for those people, and those are charitable organizations that help people who might be out of work or who are have health problems or whatever. So there are different charitable organizations in the Charlotte area and nationwide that you can give to. I want to challenge you to make up three envelopes. And one of those, and it can be an envelope or a box, you can decorate it up. I just made envelopes, but one envelope is going to say save. And this is money that you're going to put aside that you can save. It's something you can set a goal of an amount that you want to save for something for yourself. Maybe you're saving to buy a special toy or a gift for someone. And another envelope can say spend. Okay. This is money that you can spend. This is money, maybe you earn it through an allowance or it's birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, whatever, but this is money. This is your spending money. Okay. This is your money that you can use. Okay. And then another envelope is going to be labeled give. This is the money that you have designated that you want to give away to a charitable organization. And you get to pick who you want to give that money to, okay? So this is something that can go on from now until the end of school year, okay? This is something that you can continue beyond the end of the school year. So I really want to challenge you guys, and you don't have to make envelopes. You can make a box, okay? If you want to, you can decorate it up. You can make it much more interesting than what I've done. You may already have a bank of some kind, like a piggy bank or something that you have at your house. I wanted to show you something that I have that I've had my entire life. This is my bank that I had since I was a little boy. It's a monkey. So it's like people often call them a piggy bank. Mine is not a piggy, it's a monkey. And I have had this my entire life. My grandmother bought it for me when I was a baby. I don't even remember it, but it's been sitting in my bedroom on a shelf or somewhere my entire life. And I remember as a kid, I used to put money in there. Every time I would get money, I would save up my money and all kinds of different things I would save my money for. and go and buy. My grandmother would give me money. Sometimes I would get money as a gift. I would earn money by doing, chores and jobs around my house or for my neighbors and friends. So this was my bank growing up. And even now, I put money in there and I save it. And this is where I save. This is where I put money in and save up for my Christmas shopping money every year. I save a little bit of money. I take my tip money that I get sometimes, and I put money in this bank even to this day and save it up. And usually around Christmas time, I start pulling money out of here, and that's what I use to go and buy gifts for people at Christmas time. So this is one way that I save money, and I have for many years. I also have this little jar or bowl, and let's see if it can be seen. In here are coins. Can't really see it. Sorry, guys. Still not very good. There you go. Coins are in here. I have all kinds of coins in here. So when I get home at night, I put this change in this bowl. And this is another way that I save up my money. Sometimes I take this change, and every now and then when it gets very, very full, I will roll the coins and I will take them to the bank and I'll get money for it. And then I can choose to spend that money or save it, or I can take it and I give money away to, like I said, the Humane Society or my church. Those are two charities that I oftentimes give to. So I want to challenge you guys to start to have a conversation with your parents about different charities. What's something that's important to your family and important to you. Your parents can help guide you through this discussion. And then also really, really challenge you to start putting some money away, okay, in 3 different ways. Think about your spending money, the money that you want to save for something special that you're saving up for, and then the money that you want to put it into a box or an envelope that you can save up in here and then give away to someone, okay? And it doesn't have to be much, guys, whatever you can use, okay? So every little bit counts, okay? If you have $3 and you decide you want to put $1 in each envelope, that's great. That's a start, okay? So I challenge you with this, and I look forward to hearing about some of the charities that you talk with your family about and decide that, are important charities. Please comment below on Facebook. I would love to hear about the different charities that you guys like to support. It would make me happy to really hear that. And I might learn some new things about some other charities that I can give to. I'd also love to see pictures of if you make envelopes or boxes and decorate them up. I would love to see those as well, okay? And love to hear about the ways that you are saving your money in different ways, okay? Remember, I look forward to hearing from you guys today, seeing you in the Zoom meeting. That's at 12:30 today. And have a great day. See you guys later. Bye.